This is not what you were thinking of. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you're all doing well. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is in the spotlight along with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, but what about third that was rumored before? Well, this could be a bad news for the people who want to see rollable device this year, but what comes with the Galaxy Fold 4 could make you happy. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4 will coming to launch this summer in August 2022 just like the Z Fold 3. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 will look like just like its predecessor, the Galaxy Z Fold 3, but improved internals, and according to some rumors, Samsung may cut down the price on the Galaxy Z Fold 4 compared to the Z Fold 3. But it is not confirmed yet, although we are getting some new tech in the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below Galaxy Z Fold 4 or Z Flip 4, which one you are going to get this year. According to the previous leaks, people were claiming that we may get rollable phone this year, but it is not true. The leaks stated that we get 3 codename B4, Q4, and N4, which is Diamond, where the first two was Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Flip 4, and according to the leakers, Diamond codename is for rollable device. But a new rumor came up saying that the Diamond codename could be for Galaxy S23 Ultra. Meanwhile, Ice Universe almost confirmed that Z Fold 4 is almost look like the Galaxy Fold 3, until or unless they see a potential threatened market share by any other company. Although Samsung is adding new features to Galaxy Z Fold 4 which were not in their Galaxy Z Fold 3, like an S Pen integration and a new UTG ultra thin glass for Galaxy Z Fold 4, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 comes with UDC under display camera, just like the Galaxy Fold 3 but an improved one that can be used for Galaxy S23 Ultra next year, and a new processor Snapdragon Gen 1 Plus. Yes, because of poor performance of Galaxy S22 Ultra, Samsung is going to use Snapdragon Gen 1 Plus in Galaxy Z Fold 4. It is almost over a month now the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra was launched, and we are started getting news regarding the S23 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 4. And it is almost confirmed that Diamond codename will be used for S23, and there is no sliding or rollable coming this year. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below Galaxy Z Fold 4 or Z Flip 4, which one you are going to get this year. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.